Hi, and welcome to LDI. This is from BB&S America, and we would like to show you our newest product. We have here the rAVe Color Studio, a RGB white light. It's 2 foot long, and the secret about the light is that we have made a lot of different accessories, so you can easily build them together as 2 lights, as an array of 4 lights, versatile, like horizontal, vertical. You can remove the front filter, so you easily can have a spread from 120 degrees to 60 degrees. You can go over to put an intensifier on, and then you will have 30 degrees. What we do in the mixing chamber is we have the white, cold white, 5600 and 3200, and we have RGB. So you will never see the LEDs. It will always have the same color. There's also a master dimmer on the fixture. So when you have mixed the color, you can fade it down to 0, and we fade down to 0. On the arrays, you have like on 24 feet, you will have 60 foot candles. So it's a bright light where you get a lot of output. For a unit has 200 watt, and there's a lot of possibilities to put on. We have barn doors, we have egg crates, and the filters on top of it. So that is our new product from the BB&S America. And if you want to see more about it, look into our webpage, bbsamerica.com.